So we got some of this bird nested copper. I'm gonna just show you how I strip it pretty quick, even though it looks like hella crazy, all tangled up. It's like, where do you even start with this stuff? I mean, it's a couple 100-pound bundle right there. But basically what I do is I pick a color, like this white one, and then I got these DeWalt spring-loaded shears that work great. Snip one side to where you can grab it. Now when I got two hands, this works way faster. And then that's where this clutch thing comes into play here. You start it up, you get it going, you hold your snips, it'll start pulling it through here. And then it'll either pull it out like that, and you just grab your next piece. Just find one that's open. And you just send it. That one's tight already, it's pulling the whole pile. And then you just clip it when it gets tight. Clip a piece, send it. Just keep going with the same color though. And it'll pull it out until it starts getting tight. And then you just clip it and move on to the next one. Just keep going like that. And eventually, you'll start coming up onto the back halves of the ones you already clipped. And this shit will just come right out and untangle and keep on going. And the main thing you need to do is strap your stripping machine down when you're doing this, because it's dangerous. It'll pull the machine right off the table if you're not careful. Just clip it and keep sending it. Oh, anyway, I've been doing this for a while now, and got a little box of copper here. I've been stomping it down so we can get all of that stripped down. And in this box, hopefully it weighs between 1,500 and 2,000 pounds.